Hello there! Today I will cook a healthy and tasty pizza. First of all, I wash and peel broccoli. Then I divide it into small pieces. Sprinkle salt and boil till it's soft. At the time it's boiling, I put 2 tomatoes, 3 garlic cloves, salt, basil, olive oil into the blender. This mixture I will use later. After the broccoli is ready, that I check with the fork, I strained it, add 1 egg and mash. Drizzle and spread over the pan. Then I add tomato sauce I've made before, cover with cheese and put this lovely pizza into the oven. Pizza is ready when the cheese gets brown. Are you ready to try this high-protein pizza without gluten? I am. It's amazing! Oh my god, it sounds like I'm chewing something.